All right, question 3, you're going to write an equation of a line given these characteristics, okay? So we have the slope right here. So we're going to label that. This is going to be m is equal to 3 over 2. Then you have the y-intercept. You do not have the y-intercept. Notice this is not the y-intercept. So we have to find the y-intercept. So that is the issue. Find the y-intercept. How do we do this? Well, we can solve for it. We have the equation y is equal to mx, and then we're going to plus b, which is the y-intercept, okay? That's what we're solving for. So we need to know what x is. X is right here, which is 4, and we have y here, which is 8. So let's plug it in. The y becomes 8. Equals to, do we have the m? Yes, it's 3 over 2. And the x here, it is 4. And we're going to add this with the y-intercept of b. Okay, so we're essentially solving for b. So let's do 3 divided by 2 times 4. Okay, so this, if you plug this into a calculator, this becomes 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So this should be 6. Okay, bring everything else down, 8 and plus b. Okay, to get b alone, we subtract 6 to both sides, and this cancels, leaving you with a 2 is equal to b. Notice now here you have the y-intercept, so b equals to 2. Now you can just write the equation. Y is equal to 3 over 2x. Then we add the y-intercept of plus 2. There you go. You just have to find the y-intercept first. All right, b, same thing here. We have the slope. The slope here is m is equal to -1. Do we have the y-intercept? No. So we have to find the y-intercept. All right. We have an equation here that we can grab to follow right here. Y equals mx plus b. So let's use that. We have m, we just need to know x and y. X is right here, this point, which is 6. Y is -1. So let's plug it in. Y is -1. M we have as -1. The x here, which is 6. And then we add the y-intercept, which is just b. Let's simplify this. -1 times 6, which is -6. The left side is still -1. Then we add the y-intercept of plus b. How do we get the b alone? Well, we have a -6, so let's add 6 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 5 is equal to b. That is the y-intercept. B is equal to 5. We write the equation as y is equal to -1x. And then we add the 5. Technically, you can also see it like this. Y is equal to -x plus 5. No one really writes that one, that's why. Okay, there you go. The difference between this problem and question 1 is that you actually have to find the y-intercept. And here I use the equation method. Again, you can plot or use the chart, whichever works for you.